Every day when my restaurant opens, I receive a visit from my two usual customers, Nina and Ollie. Nina has a very special diet because she has digestion problems, and Ollie eats anything because he is always hungry. Today I opened the restaurant a little later and they were waiting as usual. Ollie isn't eating now because I haven't finished cooking and Nina is patiently waiting because she isn't hungry yet. The meal is ready now and they look very grateful. I wish all my human customers were as friendly and loyal as these adorable dogs. At least human customers pay.